In today's digital age, online advertising has become an essential aspect of every business. It is an effective way to reach a wider audience and increase brand awareness. However, many businesses make costly mistakes when it comes to online advertising that can impact their return on investment, ROI. We'll explore the most expensive mistakes that businesses make with their online advertising strategies, how they can be avoided, and the impact they can have on businesses' bottom line. One of the most common mistakes businesses make is not targeting their ads properly. For example, a business that sells luxury handbags may target their ads to a general audience rather than specifically targeting individuals who have shown an interest in luxury goods. As a result, the ad will be shown to people who are less likely to make a purchase, leading to a lower conversion rate and a waste of advertising budget. To avoid this mistake, businesses should conduct thorough market research to understand their target audience and create ads that speak directly to them. Another costly mistake is not optimizing ads for mobile devices. With the majority of online searches and purchases happening on mobile devices, businesses that do not optimize their ads for mobile will miss out on a significant amount of potential customers. Ads that are not optimized for mobile devices may appear distorted, slow to load, or difficult to navigate, resulting in a poor user experience and fewer conversions. Another expensive mistake that businesses make is failing to track and measure the success of their online advertising campaigns. Without proper tracking and analysis, it is impossible to know which ads are performing well and which ones are not. This can lead to wasted advertising budget on ineffective campaigns. To avoid this mistake, businesses should use analytics tools to track the success of their ads and make adjustments as needed. Businesses that do not have a clear call to action, CTA, in their ads are also making a costly mistake. The purpose of an ad is to encourage users to take action, whether it is to make a purchase, fill out a form, or sign up for a newsletter. Without a clear and compelling CTA, users may be unsure of what to do next, resulting in a missed opportunity for the business. To avoid this mistake, businesses should include a clear CTA that is relevant to the ad's goal and encourages users to take action. Lastly, businesses that do not have a budget for testing their ads are making a costly mistake. Testing is crucial to the success of any advertising campaign. Without testing, it is impossible to know which ads are performing well and which ones are not. Businesses that do not have a budget for testing may be wasting advertising budget on ineffective ads. To avoid this mistake, businesses should set aside a budget for testing and use it to test various ad formats, targeting options, and messaging. Online advertising can be an effective way for businesses to reach a wider audience and increase brand awareness. However, it is important to avoid the most expensive mistakes that businesses make when it comes to online advertising. These mistakes include not targeting ads properly, not optimizing ads for mobile devices, failing to track and measure the success of their campaigns, not having a clear call to action, and not having a budget for testing. By avoiding these mistakes and implementing best practices for online advertising, businesses can increase their ROI and achieve greater success in their digital advertising efforts. With the right approach, businesses can reach their target audience effectively, optimize their ads for mobile devices, track and measure the success of their campaigns, include a clear call to action, and budget for testing. It's important to note that online advertising strategies should be tailored to the specific needs and goals of each business. By learning from common mistakes and utilizing effective strategies, businesses can improve their online advertising performance and stay ahead of the competition. Don't let costly mistakes derail your digital advertising efforts. Take action today to implement best practices and achieve greater success.